Okay, so as I was saying in the previous video, that this last step is about coding the image map, and we use these map tags to create a client-side image map. Now, the one attribute that every single map needs to have is a name, because that name is really how you connect your image map to the actual image the map is for. So for each one of these, you're going to create a name, and that name will be unique to the purpose of the map. So if you're creating a map of the United States, you might name it US map, whatever you'd like it to be. So just noting that every map tag needs this name attribute. So the second tag that you'll need in every image map is called the area tag. And something to note here is that the area tag only has an opening tag. So where the map had an open and a close, every area tag is just one singular tag that opens up. And what this area tag does is it defines those clickable areas within that image map. So essentially it creates links and anchors using that area tag. And it has four main attributes. First, for every single hotspot, every single area tag that you use, you have to tell it what shape it's going to be. So that shape could be a rectangle, a circle, or a polygon, just like we talked about on the last few slides. The other attribute that you will have to have is called the chords attribute. And this indicates those key coordinates for defining that map area. And that will depend on the shape that you pick. So if you have a rectangle, you'll use the coordinates for the upper left and lower right-hand corner. If you have a circle, you'll use the center coordinate followed by the radius. And if you have a polygon, you will use all the different points, all the different vertice coordinate points as a part of that chords attribute. So the values that you find in this chords attribute will differ depending on the shape that you select. Then from here, you'll have your hyperlink reference that indicates the URL that map area is supposed to link to. So that hotspot links where, that goes in your href. And then your alternate text indicates alternate text that will appear for that image if for some reason the hotspot doesn't work. So those are the four main attributes for the area tag. So this is the end of this video. The next video is going to use Paint to help you locate those X and Y coordinates. So make sure you have your notes filled out for the steps for creating an image map. And when you're ready, you can move on to the next video and we'll do an example with Walmart together.